Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm spending more money than I needed to again. I saw this TikTok that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I will have it linked down below. I think it's their group name is called Boys World, but they dressed like their Starbucks drinks and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. I want to try dressing like my Starbucks drinks every single day. So for the next week, I'm doing 5 days because in YouTubers worlds a week-long video is 5 days for some reason most of the time. So for the next 5 days I'm going to be dressing like the Starbucks drink that I get. I'm going to show you guys my outfit and my drink and how they match. I'm not doing any fancy drinks, sorry, I'm not doing any fancy recommendations, but yeah, that's the video. Let's get into it. Good morning. Today we're ordering from Dunkin' and I feel like it's kind of obvious what I'm getting today, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the order through on my phone and then go get it. And then I'll show you guys my whole outfit.
Hi, welcome to Dunkin'. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I have a mobile order for Colleen.
Awesome, I have it right here. I'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
Hi, for Colleen?
Yeah.
So we actually are out of matcha today. Can I make you something else?
Can I just get an iced coffee with oat milk and vanilla? That didn't work out. They were out of matcha. And I'm not dressed for coffee, but there's nothing else green. So I drove to an Albertsons. Well, okay, so the Dunkin' is right there. The Albertsons is right here. And there's a Starbucks inside of the Albertsons, so I'm about to go into the Starbucks to get matcha. And I'm just gonna give this to one of my family members who does want coffee today. But what the heck? I know it's not their fault, but like, that's so awkward. Why today? Why? Anyways, I'm about to go into the Starbucks to get that, I guess. Bag secured. Yeah, now I'm embarrassed. The girl likes my sweater though. Honestly, I forget how good matcha is. And now I just have 2 drinks because I'm embarrassing. Green tea latte with soy milk. Green tea latte with soy milk. My top is a green sweater from Princess Polly. That's supposed to be the green tea part. And I don't actually have like full green outfit. So I just wore these white shorts from PacSun because soy milk, white milk. And then just my Doc Martens because also white and milk. And this is my matching outfit. Day 2, I feel like my outfit is a little bit less obvious, but once I say it, it might make a lot of sense, or maybe it's really obvious, but I'm gonna go get my coffee, and then I'll show you everything. Do I look like I'm dressed like a caramel macchiato?
Yes, I love it! Oh my god, I'm writing your name. Come on.
Okay. Drink secured. It's starting to drip down, so I'm gonna get to somewhere I can film my outfit before it completely separates. But my friend Maya drew my squishmallow. So I'm matching my drink and so is my squish. How cute. Okay. I'm gonna go park somewhere I can show you my outfit. The caramel all separated to the bottom, but here's my caramel macchiato, and here's my caramel macchiato outfit. This top is actually like 5 years old from Forever 21. It was a purple color, but I dyed it brown because it was bleach stained. And then the pants are from Urban Outfitters. I love these pants, but they get wrinkly really fast. And then I'm just wearing my Docs again because milk on the bottom, shots on top. Milk on the bottom, shots on top. Out of every outfit that I have put together so far, this is my favorite and I would say most accurate. If only I had brown hair right now. This is one of the stupidest videos I've ever done, but also one of the most fun. There's no point to it, but it's really fun, so I recommend everyone try it. Hi, day 3. Today is probably obvious and probably the most fitting drink for me. I actually did my makeup today too because this is all you're gonna get because this is all I know how to do for makeup. But I'm in the parking lot. I'm gonna go get my drink. I got it. So if you didn't know, I actually work at a Starbucks myself, and one time this teenage boy came in and he was like, I'm getting my sister a drink but I don't know what it's called. And I was like, do you like describe it at all? And he was like, it's for a little girl and James Charles likes it, and I knew immediately that he meant pink drink because pinkity drinkity. High key though, good, like really good drink, like for everyone. Even if you don't like pink, it tastes really good. One of my favorite drinks. It's very sugary, but it's really good. I'm down a level today because there's a skater boy above me, and I really hope he's not being that loud. I also really hope he can't hear me. But I'm down a level today with the pink drink. Do we like it buttoned or unbuttoned? This is one of my better days. I'm really proud of this one. Turtleneck is originally from Brandy Melville, but I thrifted it. This is also thrifted, no idea where the tag is from. My skirt is from Princess Polly, and then the shoes were a gift, but the tag says ASOS. Honestly, thank you though, skateboard kid, because I kind of like this angle a lot. It's a nice angle. And I would not have gone down here if he weren't up there. Fit for today. I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get the drink for today. Ronnie kind of matches the idea for the drink for today. Drink of the day. I went to pick up my drink and I just shoved my thumb in it. Tweens! Oh my god. I hate how fast these melt sometimes. Okay, here's the drink and here's the fit. So the drink is a Java chip frappuccino with whipped cream. And the fit, so this is like, I want to say this is more of the Java part. It's a little bit lighter. This is a thrifted shirt, but I think it's originally from like Loft. These are the chips from Princess Polly, and then my docs are like the whipped cream part. Oh. And then my bag kind of matches this fit perfectly. It's a little bear backpack from Target. They got the brown fit going. I'd say I wish this was a little bit darker. I feel like it'd fit better if it was just a little bit darker, but I think the brown bag helps tie it in, and then like the whipped cream part. Very cute. Honestly, Java chip is a little bit bitter for my taste. I usually like it with white mocha instead of the regular mocha, but that kind of would have thrown off the fit. It wouldn't have worked. By the way, I love this tripod. It's the Manfrotto one because I have my camera up here and then down, can you see it in it? Basically the little platform down here kind of holds my phone perfectly so I can take self-timer photos on it if I don't have a phone attachment to do that. Oh my gosh, wait, okay. I have like a whole thing going. Okay, for the drink for right now, I actually got the drink first, and now I need to change into my outfit in the car. This one would also be the easiest to guess probably if you saw it next to pink drink. So I'm gonna change into my outfit. There's a camera right there, and I don't think it's pointed this direction, but if it is, they probably have like a lot of footage of me changing clothes in my car. Oh my god, I look so washed out. Fit for today. This one's really simple and was like the easiest to do. It literally just, I mean, I added a cute little blue necklace from En Route Jewelry, but pretty much literally just white set that I got from Princess Polly, my white docs, and a vanilla bean frappuccino. I guess, so like vanilla, whipped cream, and then the black can be the bean, or the bean. This series is just me spending money and then posing with the things I spent money on, but I'm not mad about it. I think this one was simple and easy, so I don't want to give myself too much credit for it, but I also think I got it really good. Alright, this has been my week of dressing like my drinks. I was gonna do Dunkin' for a sec there, but that went south really fast. So this has been my week of dressing like my Starbucks drinks. I thought it was really fun. Let me know if you want me to do another video like this, or let me know any other videos you want to see from me. Let me know if you have any questions, that kind of stuff. Just comment something, please. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
Heard you say I'm not the baddest, but you lied. It ain't my fault.